Welcome back, language explorers. Today we're diving into the world of reported speech. This is how we share what someone else has said. Let's uncover the rules. Before we dive into the changes, let's clarify the difference between direct and reported speech. Direct speech is when we repeat someone's exact words, using quotation marks. For example, "I love chocolate," she said. Reported speech is when we report what someone said without using their exact words. For example, "She said that she loved chocolate." Next, when we change from direct to reported speech, several things can happen. Tense changes. The tense of the verb usually moves one step back in time. Present simple becomes past simple. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Will becomes would. Can becomes could. Must becomes had to. Two pronouns and possessive adjectives change. First-person pronouns, I, me, my, mine, change to match the reported speech subject. "I love this book" becomes "she said that she loved that book." Second-person pronouns, you, your, yours, change based on the context. "You are beautiful" could become "he said that I was beautiful" or "he said that she was beautiful," depending on the situation. Time and place words changes. Now becomes then. Here becomes there. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. We often use reporting verbs like said, told, asked, replied, and wondered to introduce reported speech. For example, "She told me that she was tired." Questions and commands also change when reported. For questions, we use asked followed by if or whether. For commands, we use told or asked followed by the infinitive. For example, "Are you coming?" She asked. She asked if I was coming. "Close the door," he said. He told me to close the door. And there you have it. You've mastered the art of reported speech. Now you can confidently share what others have said with accuracy and precision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more grammar adventures.